Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? Something really special. So, we all are writing content using AI for LinkedIn, for other things, and the obvious outcome is that it is detected as AI generated. What I'm telling is very simple. Suppose I have used Claude to write an article on fraud detection. Okay, so it has given me a beautiful article. I have not given much content, but whatever it has given, I simply copied and you can see I have pasted it in Grok. Okay, fraud detection, safeguarding trust in digital economy. This is the article. And I simply gave one prompt additional, that is it AI generated article or human written, give percentage. And it is very obvious. It says approximately 95% it is likely AI generated. For the same article, I have also asked ChatGPT and it says the same thing. Fraud detection safeguarding this and this and this. And lastly, I asked, is this AI generated or human generated? Give percentage. Estimated 85% AI generated. Now this has become a regular problem. So what sometimes we are doing is giving it extra prompts, make it human, make it this, make it that. But I have found a permanent solution to this. Very simple. I researched on the web and got on Wikipedia the science of AI writing. So before moving ahead, you can simply scan the QR code shown on the screen where you can get all the resources. So instead of telling that we'll go in the description, yeah, wo. Also there are something else in the description, obviously, but those who want the resources, a quick scan in the QR and your resources will go in your email. Okay, so moving ahead, I found an article on Wikipedia, Science of AI Writing. So what are the signs with which a content is detected as AI written? Okay, so next I simply went on Claude and simply written the things, very simple things, that we can create a skill for which we don't have to write again and again same thing, and I'm going to show you how. So first I've given the link here, and can you read this simple prompt in Claude Cowork? Okay, so yes, I read this. This is a Wikipedia science of AI writing, this whatever. Then there is an option of skill creator. So simply when I press this button and you can type skill creator. Okay, so this way you can create skill, very easy. Now I want you to make a skill that our content follows all this, and whenever we are writing a write-up, it doesn't feel like AI generated. Rather, you give it a human touch. Avoid all the points mentioned in the article. Whatever is written, if you read the article, I will also paste a link, okay, in the description. It is absolutely like EM dashes and all these things have become very common. All these are the points through which AI detection is done. Okay. So whatever I told, that avoid all these points mentioned in the article. Also, maybe little bit unpolished will do, because absolutely everything polished means it's AI generated. No much high level concept which seems too good to be true to be accurate. Okay, no need to give extra high level content also. All this knowledge, this is an important line, convert into a skills human. So I have told in the skills creator that all this knowledge you just convert it into a skills human. So it has written something all these things, and at last it has given one skill to us. Okay, so I have given that skill, and now when I am writing the article, so simple, I have written the article @human. Means this simple. When I'm calling this, it's coming humans. Okay. And write an article on fraud detection. So all the structural things we have done the changes. But there is one more thing where still AI is lacking. What? I'll show you. Write an article on fraud detection. So again, it has given me a good article. And you will see that if I go to ChatGPT maybe again, and I give this article the number under the fraud detection. Again, it is saying that it is likely AI generated 70%. So it is written very polished and everything, still it's there. So all the errors I did research, okay, and again in our skills, I added everything that 75 to 80% is AI generated, and now still our article says this. Please add to the skills. update it. What it says, it is important point that the structure and flow, extremely clean logical progression, language patterns, balanced surface level depth, all these things are still there. So in spite of all the errors we rectified on Wikipedia, some structural part still remains. So what I told at the end that our article says is please add this to the skills, update it. Okay, so good catch and all these things are written. Yes, now I have got updated humans update skill. Now when I'm writing now, you can see the third article using the skill humans. Write an article on fraud detection. Same topic, everything same. But this time, the real problem and all these things, we got this article. This time, when I am saving or showing this to ChatGPT, you can see the real problem. This is the thing. Okay, this is the same article. And this time, perfectly, you can say that this looks more human written or heavily human edited than purely AI generated. Human written assisted 70 to 80%. Similarly, on Grok also, I gave this article. Okay, just a second. Same article, the real problem with fraud detection, and you can see, yes, this article is almost certainly written by a human. It is estimated 90 to 95%. Why it is not 100%? Because it is clean, EAO, all these things. So now, whenever you are writing using this skill, it is very, very easy. You can save the skill. Obviously, whatever is there, you can just save these skills. And already I have shown the QR code, which you will get in your email, this skill. Okay. So skills, how you can access simple. We go to settings and usage, sorry, skills, and here you can see humans. Okay, you can browse and add your skill also, write a skill, upload a skill, etc, etc. So now whenever we are writing something, you simply have to go to new and simply type humans. That's it. Now you write your article using this, and simply your LinkedIn post or anything will become more human generated. Okay, so I hope you got some value out of this video. Sometimes it is very important that our content should look like human generated. So this simple skill can help us. Also, everything is there in the description of this video. You don't have to give ChatGPT or anything, Codex or any this Claude code or anything again and again the same instruction. You can save this as a skill. Okay, so that's all for this video, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also keep supporting, keep loving. There are many, many more things. We are going to start again some API series and Claude Code series. Everything is there in line. So don't forget to subscribe. My once again request to follow, like, comment, subscribe, all those that you can support us. Always with you. That's all for this video, friends. See you in the next video.